So you're looking for a really big onion, the bigger the better. And all you're going to do is, with a sharp knife, cut the top off and then peel it down. So you're taking all the outside skin off, which will take a few seconds. Get that out of the way. And then if you use a couple of wooden spoons to help you, it makes life easier. This top bit you just need to trim off. So you're just going to make it so that it's trim. So don't cut it off, just trim it down, just like that. Then it will stand on its bottom. A couple of wooden spoons. And this is the bit. So you're going to cut all the way down until it hits the wooden spoons. Turn your onion around. Cut it down again. And just keep doing this until you've cut all the way down through your onion. So once you've got it that way, if you pull the onion slightly together very carefully, you do need a sharp knife with this, and just cut through. Two more. Doesn't matter if you lose some of the petals. And then my last one is there. And then the last thing that you're going to do to turn this into a blooming onion is to actually pull out the onion. And then we can flour and milk it. So pull that out like that. And once you've pulled it out, it's ready for the milk and onion. Just like that. A blooming onion.